Welcome back to Unbelievable Aviation Moments. Today, expert maneuvers, helicopter fails, crash evacuations, and crazy landings. Stay with us. Hanging below the helicopter, seconds feel routine. One mistake, and the person is gone.
Bro, I have chops, I swear.
A plane lands short on a Camry on Florissa I-95. An unreal aviation jolt.
Oh my goodness. A plane just crashed onto a car on a highway right in front of us. Holy wow.
Tradewind's PC-12 approaches low over roundabout. Pilot skill shines to final runway 10. Robinson R-44 drops prom couple, then clips power lines mid-flight. Unbelievable near miss caught on camera. Vancouver. Air Canada A321 bounces, winds 260 to 280, tail nearly strikes runway. Eurocopter AS350 roars low, high-speed pass, pilot expertly maneuvering. Brazil. LA Tama 320 evacuates passengers as conveyor belt erupts in flames.
O pessoal tá com a coisa pro lado esquerdo, graças a Deus.
Não, sim, mas tipo assim...
Tá evacuando, tá evacuando.
American 767 lands. Left gear compresses hard, briefly supporting the entire aircraft at touchdown. Mexican Air Force Blackhawk hits water, rotors strike, disaster unfolds instantly. KC-130 Hercules refuels Humvee carrying AN CH-53. Pilot demonstrates masterful precision mid-air training. Cliffside drop-off. The llama sets down on the edge, pure pilot skill, then backs away.
prowadzący przetnie trajektorię i
Radom airshow. Two Zelazny planes collide midair. Fire erupts. Both unlucky planes crash.
Chryste Panie, nie mogę tego przeżyć!
Passengers never see this. Beneath their feet, the landing gear unfolds inside AB-737. Basel, Falcon lifts off. Wingtip almost strikes runway in heavy crosswinds. Cameraman leans dangerously close to the runway, capturing Aerosucre takeoff, an unbelievable, risky shot in aviation action. Midair, a TAP A321 drops onto its nose gear. Control returns seconds before it slips away.
Не знаю. Да. Все.
Мама дорогая.
Atlanta, golden hour. VS-104 climbs to the clouds, vortices spin out, an unbelievable sight in air.
Mijn god! Oh mijn god! Wat de f is dit? Wat de f is dit zo lang niet? Heb je het gefilmd?
Ja?
Auckland, helicopter crashes at Viaduct Harbor. A shocking disaster strikes mid-operation. Christmas tree work halted instantly. Schweitzer 300 crashes during airshow wingover practice. Helicopter loops. Stunt pilot loses control mid-air unexpectedly. Anchorage, 2024. A Luftwaffe tornado cuts the sky, rolling, diving, perfectly in control. Thanks for staying with iScene, Unbelievable Aviation Moments. Leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe to stay in the cockpit for what comes next.